Now I'm gonna have to say that this is pretty cool. So I got a new steering wheel for my truck. This one is made of a carbon fiber. You do get a cleaning cloth. You get a certificate for like safety or test or whatever. And then you get a little instruction manual to kind of tell you how to put it on. Now this one is for the F-150, and I think this one is for like 21 through 24. I don't remember for sure. It's gonna go in my 22. This one was also the one with no heat and with the trim. They also have them for the Raptors. They have them for other models and stuff. And overall, it just looks really nice. I already pulled off, this was more padding on it too. So if you want the trim, you have to choose the one with the trim. And then we have our carbon fiber wheel. Now they do have other colors too. This one I chose the orange stitching. They had a couple others. I think they had red and maybe one other for at least my model. And then they had some other colors for other models. This was the one I decided on for mine. Now we need to get in there and take off the old one, and then we'll put this one on, and I'll just do a quick demonstration of how to install it and driving down the road a little bit with it. All right, so I don't have the best camera angle or mounting areas to really show this. So I'm gonna try and share it the best I can. All right, so I've never done one of these before, but I watched a YouTube video and it shows that there are these little clips that you have to kind of pop to get this little airbag thing out. Let's see. Oh, God. Oh, crap. Is it that easy? Holy cow. All right, let's go ahead and flip this around. I didn't even have to really try on that. Oh, doesn't want to turn. Okay. So we got that one turned. Oh wow, that was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. You mostly just have to kind of like stick a screwdriver in on each side and it will pop out. And then you do have a couple cords or a couple wires, so just be careful, get those unhooked. All right, so you do have to disconnect these wires, and if you are struggling with it, you just pry these little orange things up. I just figured that out. And then we can disconnect it from there. And we do have one other wire that we got to disconnect over here. I want you to look too hard. All right, I don't like messing with these airbag things, but that wasn't too bad. So now that we got that off, we can get the steering wheel off. I'm gonna have to go get a tool. So I had to look for something that would actually fit, and the size 7mm was the first one that actually will fit for it. And that works. And this is held in just by a big bolt here. Okay, so in order to pull off the trim, we do have a couple of screws here that we need to pull out. Now we should be able to pop this out with no problem. All right, so out with the old. So now we need to get our controls, get them out of this and put it in our new trim. Which these are also held on by more screws. And they are even smaller. It looks like this one's gonna require very small, so I'm gonna have to go find another one here real quick. All right, so the one that I found that fits is a T8 by 75mm. So if you need to know the size, that is it. All right, so we got the old trim out. All right, and these only go in one way, so you don't have to worry about doing them backwards. And you're gonna use the same screws to put these in. Put the other side in. They're only gonna go one way. All right, now we're ready to get this into the new wheel. Oh, that looks good. I like that. Make sure you get your wires fed correctly and get them tucked in there. There's going to be the same holes as the original, and there's going to be these little clips. You're going to pop those in just to hold your wire in place. All right, now we got that all back together. Now we can just get it all connected again. Get our big bolt in. All right, so the only thing left is to get the airbag back in. Just get everything reconnected here. Oops. Oops. All right, we got it. It's not all the way though. Okay. There we go, and we are done. Now I wanted to get some footage of driving around with this. I didn't have a mount for my camera. Right now it's just on a tripod, but I can't drive around like that. So I did go for a little bit of a drive though, down the drive and down the road a little bit, and I got a little footage with my phone. All right, so I'm just driving down a gravel road, rural road, and the feeling of this is really nice. The grip of it, just the feel of it is really nice. I can hold it with one hand really easily, and overall it just feels so much more comfortable compared to the old one. And you got this extra room for your legs. But I really do like this steering wheel. It is really nice. We got a nice smooth finish up here with the carbon fiber. On the back side, we have the grip or little grip pieces that just feels really nice. I also like the extra room down here, so whether you're a taller person or maybe you have larger legs, you have that little extra room. Makes it a little bit more comfortable as well. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a great idea what to expect with this steering wheel. If it's something that you would like to get for your truck, I think it's really cool. I really like it. It's comfortable. It looks nice. And after only driving with it for a short distance, I really like it. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.